Kia ora everyone, welcome back to the YouTube video. My name is Ben. If we haven't met before, I'm super stoked to have you here. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Rode Wireless Pro compact wireless microphone system. I've wanted a little system like this for a long time and I'm a big fan of Rode. This video is not sponsored by Rode. I've purchased this myself. Without further ado, let's unbox this sucker. It's jam-packed, alright? This is a jam-packed video. This is a jam-packed box. You won't believe how much stuff is in here, so let's go have a look. So the first thing I love about this when I'm unboxing these are these beautiful little cases that the two transmitters and the receiver come in. The greatest thing about this is that the case is also the charger. So you just plug the bigger USB-C cable that comes in this other little case in there, and you can just plug that into the back and then into, you know, an iPhone charger or straight into your computer. And the way that it was set out is that the receiver sits in this right hand little slot, but immediately the function that I love the most, and I feel like this is a function that just Rode just nails every time, is that if I take this out of its box, it turns straight on. And if I put it back in the box, it turns straight off. Oh, I love that. It's my favorite feature about my Rode VideoMic Pro Plus is that it just turns on and it turns off. If I switch the camera off, it switches off. If I switch it on, it switches itself on. It just saves battery life. Genius. You're geniuses. Then we've got the two little transmitters and they do the same thing. If you take it out, they immediately power up, and if you stick them back in, they immediately, you know it, they power off. Beautiful. What's cool is in the other container, it literally comes jam-packed, jammy-packed, full of stuff. We've got two USB-C cables, so I think one is for charging and the other is for connecting into a phone or something like that. But there's also a USB to lightning adapter for iPhone, so I assume that this USB-C to USB-C is for other phones. I'm not entirely sure, sorry. We've got this little cable here that connects into your camera so you can record audio at the same time. Backup audio, I love everything that backs up. And in the bottom we have everything you could possibly need for lapel. So two lapel microphones, you can connect these into those transmitters, and so you can have lapel audio or you can just use the transmitter. With those there's so many different types in the bottom here. There's like 6 dead cats in the bottom, but this one here, if you connect it straight onto the top of one of these transmitters, you can be like your favorite YouTuber. What's his name? Tyler something? I don't know. But the guy that, you know, goes around and he's like, I'm visiting the most dangerous place in Brookfield, Tauranga. You can be like that guy if you wanted to. This is what he's using. Funny. Pop that right off. Easy peasy. Back into the case. Guess what? Don't need to turn it off because it turns itself on. And the other thing that's super cool and of note is the magnets. So a magnet attached to this metal part here. Take that off. Put that bad boy snuggy on there. And guess what? You can go right ahead. Clip that on there. If you wanted to, just upgrade it super fast. Spin that on there. Chuck that in there. But good to go. Audio. Hit record. Magic happens. I will do a lot of videos. These are going to become like my primary mic that I use for my YouTube videos. The one that I've used, pretty much the microphone that I've used for the majority. Stuck. Everything. You can't get it. They like each other too much. Get away. So the microphone that I've used like primarily for pretty much all of my YouTube stuff is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, and these hopefully are going to become the mics that I use primarily from now on. They're just such a great mic to attach wirelessly. I really do like the shotgun mic, and maybe I'll do a shotgun versus wireless, you know, lapel setup in the future. I watch lots of YouTube videos talking about the Wireless Pro. The biggest thing I was looking for is this 32-bit float recording. But what it does is it basically just takes care of audio peaking. It's really hard to make these microphones peak, and that's what I wanted to. I just wanted a microphone that I could trust, just like the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, but I wanted the options of, you know, being able to like interview someone or record an interview, or like have two people sitting down in front of the camera. They could each have one of these and it sends to the receiver. The coolest thing about this microphone is that it records backup audio into the receiver, and then you can also plug the receiver into your camera. So you've got like scratch audio into your camera, you've got a backup audio into... So I'm recording on the Lumix S5iiX. It's got 2 SD card slots. Right now I'm recording in 1080p, 25 frames per second. I've got 180-degree shutter speed on there. I know that all the settings are just... I know that it's backing up to both the cards. This here is like doing the same thing, but with audio. So it's going to record a backup track, and then also it's going to record into the camera. I'm backed up, baby. Because we struggle with anxiety, and we just want to do everything we can just to lower those anxiety levels and enter a place of peace and calm. So if you're interested in seeing some more content like that, I would love it if you could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Future videos coming up. I'm going to do a what's in my camera bag, finally, that I've got all of this stuff all together. And we're going to be going down to Queenstown here in New Zealand, and it's been snowing all last week, so I'm hoping it's going to be real magical and snowy, and we'll go and capture some breathtaking footage down in the South Island. So I'll see you in the next one. Ka kite anō.